Hi, Assalamualaikum. Salam satu Malaysia. So today we will continue chapter 4 carbon compounds, 4.4 the oil palm and its importance to national development. Okay, so first we will see the structure of an oil palm fruit. Here is the tree, a bunch of oil palm fruit, and the last picture is the cross section of an oil palm fruit. Based on the cross section, in the middle is the kernel, and kernel is protected by a shell called as endocarp, and here is the pulp, sometimes we call as mesocarp. Oil palm fruit produce two types of oil. The first one is palm oil. Okay, so palm oil is extracted from the pulp. And number two, palm kernel oil. Palm kernel oil is extracted from the kernel, but most oil comes from the pulp. Okay, next we will discuss about process of palm oil extraction. It will undergo a few processes. Number one, sterilization. Sterilization of the bunch of oil palm fruit is done using pressure steam. So during the process, steam will destroy and kill microorganisms in the oil palm fruit, and it also loosens the fruit from the bunch. Okay, number two, process number two, threshing. The oil palm fruits are removed from the bunch. Process number three, digestion. The fruit are digested and crushed at high temperature. Last process is extraction. So extraction of palm oil is pressed hydraulically from the pulp. Okay, so for this process, we have two products. Number one, crude palm oil, and number two is the kernel. For crude palm oil purified separates the palm oil from the impurities. So after that, we will produce purified palm oil. So here is the last product for number one. Number two, about the kernel, we will produce palm oil kernel through extraction. In this process involve grinding. So here the kernel, we will grinding the kernel into small particles, heating and extracting the oil by pressing. So lastly, the crude palm oil kernel is purified. So lastly, it will produce purified palm kernel oil. So through all these processes, we will have two products. Number one, purified palm oil, and number two, purified palm kernel oil. Okay, last but not least, we will see the nutritional values of palm oil. So in palm oil contains unsaturated fats. Hope you still remember what is saturated fats and unsaturated fats. Number two, consuming palm oil not only lowers the level of bad cholesterol, but it also raises the level of good cholesterol, HDL. And it also reduces the chances of thrombosis, and rich in fatty acid, which is omega 6, and lastly, it contains beta-carotenes, vitamin A, and vitamin E. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you. Bye.